In this video we're going to demonstrate how to restrict data entry in Excel. What's meant by this, like how to set a cell for a certain criteria. So if I'll give you an example. So if we consider this cell, okay, saying enter your value here. Okay, so I'm gonna merge this. So this is my cell, for example. We're gonna put the value here. So all I have to do is to click on data validation, as you could see here. So the validation criteria, could it be any value? Let's say, to consider an example, decimal. So if we consider a value 5.5 as a minimum value and 6 as a minimum and maximum value, okay, and so we could consider equal, less, greater than, and this is really effective. Greater than or equal to, between. So now we're gonna consider between, like between minimum and maximum value. So as we've done it here, just wanna recheck it, 5.5 and 6. So if I put like 6.1, it's gonna give me an error. So it's gonna say retry. If I put a 6, it will work. If I put 5, it's gonna give me an error. So if I put 5.4, it's gonna give me an error. So I put 5.5 as my minimum value, so it works. So this is an example of data validation. Okay, thank you.